I literally think I'm gonna break the internet today. Did you know that you can easily highlight every cell you are actually hovering in your Excel file with just one click using a standard Excel feature? Oh my God, if I knew that 20 years ago, I would be a much happier man. So let's take a look how it's done. It's so easy and it's unbelievable this is not widely spread. So basically, I made these simple steps for you. Imagine you have your Excel file, which has a lot of numbers, columns, and cells, and you are presenting or even evaluating the data yourself, but you'd like to highlight exactly which row and which column you are selecting at that specific point in time. You just go to your views and click on Focus Cell. That's it. Now you can easily evaluate and see exactly where you are in your Excel file, making sure that everyone can see it in a much clearer way. And even further, you can easily change the color and make it look and feel as you wish. How can I activate this even easier? Just go to your search bar on top of Excel and search for Focus Cell. Click it, it will deactivate it immediately. Click it again and it will be back at any time you want. I hope you really enjoyed this feature because I personally love it. So for all my passionate Excel lovers over there, yeah, enjoy this feature and have a great day.